First, we will discuss the configuration changes with new asset accounting. So in SAP S/4HANA Finance, classic asset accounting is no longer available. And we need to activate new asset accounting in the configuration. So I am in SAP S/4HANA system and I want to check whether the new asset accounting has been activated or not. What is its status? So I will go to the transaction code SPRO, SAP reference IMG, and I will go to financial accounting node, then asset accounting, and then migration asset accounting new, migration from classic to new asset accounting, and I have got an option here which is activate asset accounting new. Execute it and this screen will open. If it says in preparation, so you have to change its status active and then click on save button. That's what you have to do when you are gonna use new asset accounting. So in my system, it is already activated. So I don't need to change anything here.